ഒക്ടോബർ 9 2016 നടത്തിയ ട്രേഡ്സ്മാൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് നോക്കുന്നത്. പേപ്പർ കോഡ് 96/2016. First question, the term used to indicate dry refuse which includes decayed fruits, paper pieces, grass, etc. Option A, sewage, garbage, tillage, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, garbage. Second question, the ratio between the total covered area of all floors of a building to the plot area. Open space index, plinth area ratio, coverage percentage, floor area ratio. The correct answer is FAR, floor area ratio. Third question, the adjustments required to be made at each of the surveying stations before making observations are called permanent adjustment, compensating adjustment, temporary adjustment, perfect adjustment. The correct answer is temporary adjustment. Question number 4, the continuous thin line connecting a dimensional value or some information relating to the feature in an engineering drawing is extension line, dimension line, break line, leader line. Correct option is option D, leader line, continuous thin line connecting dimensions values. Question number 5, the planning of two or more related rooms in proximity of each other to minimize the length of circulation and improves the comfort. Aspect, circulation, roominess, grouping. The correct answer is grouping. Question number 6, the abbreviated form of complex compounds of cement C3S, C2S, C3A and C4AF are also called Asperin's compounds, Box compounds, Pickett's compounds and James Frost compounds. The correct answer is Box compounds. Question number 7, the course of stone placed immediately below the cornice to improve the appearance of external face of the wall is frieze, string course, corbel, blocking course. Correct answer is frieze, the course of stone placed immediately below the cornice. Question number 8, the ability of a material to resist fracture due to high impact like hammer blow is option A, toughness, B, hardness, C, brittleness, D, ductility. To resist fracture due to high impact load is option A, toughness. Question number 9, the channel or pipe which carries water away from the powerhouse after it has been passed through the turbine is main canal, penstock, regulator, tail race. It is tail race, the channel or pipe which carries water away from the powerhouse. Penstock is one which carries water to the power station or the powerhouse. Question number 10, when cast iron pipes are used to convey water with high pressure, dash joints are used. Flanged joints, expansion joints, balance pivot joints, none of the above. We will use flanged joints when cast iron pipes are used to convey water. Question number 11, the arrangement made at the situations where two or more roads meet or cross one another such a way that one road over or under another by means of a bridge is roundabouts, grade separations, grade intersections, none of the above. Correct answer is grade separations. Question number 12, a point P is 5 cm below the HP and 3 cm in front of VP. What will be the distance between the top and front view after completing the projection drawing? 2 cm, 15 cm, 8 cm, none of the above. It is 8 centimeter. 5 plus 3. Question number 13. The bridge constructed such a way that its center line is not at right angle to the stream flow is angle bridge, square bridge, skew bridge, tilting bridge. It is skew bridge. The bridge constructed such a way that its center line is not at right angles to the stream flow is skew bridge. Question number 14. The depth of an arch at the crown is more than that at the springing line and the shape of the intradoors in a semicircle. Then it is called Florentine arch, Venetian arch, horseshoe arch, tilt arch. It is Florentine arch. The depth of an arch at the crown is more than at the springing line. Question number 15. When the cutting plane is inclined to the axis of the right circular cone and parallel to one of its generators, the section obtained is rectangular hyperbola, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. It is parabola. Question number 16. The yards which used to isolate goods wagons received from various centers in order of station at which they are to be sent. Locomotive yards, marshalling yards, passenger yards, goods yards. It is marshalling yards. Question number 17. The difference in level of the water surface between upstream and downstream of a bridge. Ventway, freeboard, causeway, afflux. Afflux is the difference between the water surface in upstream and downstream. Question number 18. Among the following, which is a constituents or components of rolling stock of railways? Wagons, plate laying, fixtures and fasteners, stations and yards. It is wagons. Question number 19. Which one of the following is adopted as narrow gauge in Indian Railway? 0.762 meter, 1.767 meter, 0.626 meter, 1.067 meters. It is 0.762 meters. Question number 20. The part of a circle bounded by an arc and its chord is sector, segment, semicircle, arc. It is segment. Question number 21. The ratio of lateral strain to the linear strain within elastic limit is modulus of rigidity, modulus of elasticity, Poisson's ratio, none of the above. Poisson's ratio is the lateral strain by linear strain. Question number 22. The rails are connected at their ends by means of chair and keys, fish plates, spikes, bearing plates. Rails are connected by fish plates. Question number 23. The seclusion or isolation of an individual or a couple or a group from the rest of the inmates of the house is aspect, privacy, roominess, prospect. It is the privacy. Question number 24. The planes of projections lie between the object and the observer is in option A, third angle projection, option B, fourth angle projection, option C, first angle projection, option D, second angle projection. Planes of projection lie between the object and the observer is in third angle projection. Question number 25. The ratio of ultimate bearing capacity to safe bearing capacity is frictional resistance, allowable bearing capacity, compaction factor, factor of safety. Ultimate bearing capacity by safe bearing capacity is factor of safety. Question number 26. The most suitable cement used for underwater or running water concrete is rapid hardening cement, acid resistant cement, white cement, quick setting cement. Underwater it is quick setting cement. Question number 27. The windows usually provided near the top of the main roof and are made to open in the adjoining veranda or lean to roof for proper ventilation is clerestory window, dormer window, lantern window, casement window. The correct answer is clerestory window. Near the top of the main roof and made to open in the adjoining veranda. It is clerestory window. Question number 28. The defect in timber which is caused by over maturity or by bad ventilation during storage. Ruxiness, radial shakes, rupture, foxiness. The correct answer is foxiness. Question number 29. As per NBC, the maximum height of boundary wall without any special permission and condition is 1.5 meters, 1.8 meters, 1.2 meters and 2.1 meters. Correct answer is 1.5 meters. The maximum height of boundary wall. Question number 30. The roof slopes in the floor direction. The roof slopes in the four directions. At each slope has a break. Is deck roof, mansard roof, gambrel roof, hip roof. It is mansard roof. Like this. Question number 31. If the diameter of a sphere is 3 cm, then the volume of the sphere is 20.25 pi, 9 pi, 18 pi, 4.5 pi. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 3 cube. So it is 3 cube. This will cut and 3 square. So 3 square into 4 is 45. 9 4s are 45. So it is 4.5 pi. Question number 32. The innermost central portion or core of the tree. Medulla, heartwood, inner bark, none of the above. It is medulla or pith. Question number 33. Trimmed size of A1 drawing paper. 210 by 297, 420 by 594, 594 by 841, 297 by 420. This is the A4 size. So A4 double A2. So this one will get doubled. A4 doubled A3. Then A3 double A2. Then A2 doubled A1. So 210 into 4, that is 840. Then 297 into 2, it is 495. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 34. The small room generally provided adjacent to dining room for keeping cooked food. A. Loft. B. Store. C. Pantry. D. None of the above. It is pantry. ട്രെയിനിൽ നമ്മൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും പാൻറ്റീന്ന്. Question number 35. The traffic way provided in such a way that during floods, water is allowed to flow across the communication route. Super passage, causeway, flyover, bypass. It is the causeway. That is traffic way provided in such a way that during floods, water is allowed to flow across the communication route, across the traffic way. That is causeway. Question number 36. The bond in which The bricks are arranged at 45 degree in opposite direction from the central line of the wall thickness is silver locks bond, zigzag bond, diagonal bond, herringbone bond. It is herringbone bond. Question number 37. The lower half portion of an arch between crown and cubback. Option A Springer, B Spandrel, C Houch, D Impost. It is the Houch. Question number 38. The weight per meter length of 20 mm diameter steel bar is around 1.58 kg, 3.55 kg, 0.89 kg and 2.46 kg. It is d square by 162. So d square is 20 by 20, 20 square by 162. So it is 81. That is 10. Let us take it 80. So 20, 80, 4 times. 10 by 4, it is 2.5. So near to 2.5, it is 2.46. So the answer is option D. Question number 39. The edge of roof covering materials which projects beyond the gable end of the sloped roof running between the eaves and ridge is valley, hipped end, verge, dragon type. It is the verge. Question number 40. Eccentricity of ellipse is always less than 1, greater than 1, equal to 1, equal to 0. Eccentricity of ellipse is less than 1. Question number 41. The total depth of water in centimeter required by a crop to come to maturity is called duty, delta, base, none of these. The depth of water, total depth of water is delta. Question number 42. When the bed level of the canal is higher than the highest flood level of the drainage, the cross drainage work is aqueduct, super passage, causeway, level crossing. Bed level of the canal is higher than the drainage, then it is aqueduct. Super passage, the drain will be above and the canal will be below. Causeway is the traffic way in emergent, opened for water course in the emergency situations like flood. Level crossing, all these two, canal and drainage, are on the same level. Question number 43. Which one of the following cement is most suitable for mass concrete work? Rapid hardening Portland cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, acid resistant cement. For mass concrete work, we will use low heat Portland cement where the amount of C2S will be more. Question number 44. The method of termination of the wall such a way that the bricks left projecting in alternate courses for the bonding future horizontal masonry construction is frog, threshold, lacing course, toothing. It is toothing. Question number 45. The decrease or loss in the value of a property due to its use, life, wear and tear are etc. Scrap value, depreciation, sinking fund, rateable value. It is depreciation. It is the loss of the value. Question number 46. The fund. Question number 46. The fund which is gradually accumulated by way of period on annual deposit for the replacement of the building at the end of its useful life, obsolescence, annuity, salvage value, sinking fund. It is sinking fund. The fund gradually accumulated by periodic annual deposit. Question number 47. The value at the end of the utility period without being dismantled is salvage value, scrap value, book value, obsolescence. It is salvage value. With the dismantling is scrap value. Without dismantling, it is salvage value. Question number 48. Which of the following ingredient of cement increases the initial setting time? Calcium oxide, alumina, calcium sulfate, magnesia. It is calcium sulfate. It is a retarder. These two are accelerators. Increase the initial setting time means prolong the initial setting time. Question number 49. The inclined member of a mason scaffolding which offer strength and stability and fixed to the ground is standards, brasses, rakers, ledgers. It is rakers. Inclined strength providing member of scaffolding. Question number 50. Plate load test determines size of foundation, ultimate bearing capacity of soil, depth of foundation, safe bearing capacity of soil. It determines the ultimate bearing capacity. Plate load test for ultimate bearing capacity. Question number 51. The radiating or tapering or angular steps used for changing direction of flight in a stair. Commodes, bullnose steps, plate steps, windows. It is windows which are the radiating or tapering steps for changing the flight in a stair. The direction for changing the direction in a flight of a stair. Question number 52. The spikes used on high-speed trunk routes to obtain better life by resisting lateral thrust is standard spikes, screw spikes, elastic spikes, dog spikes. It is screw spikes. High-speed trunk routes. For better life, it is screw spike. Question number 53. The projection of the lower step from the vertical face of the upper step in a stepped footing is lap, sajja, offset, none of the above. It is offset. The projection of the lowest step from the vertical face of the upper step in a stepped footing is offset. Question number 54. The designation of door 10 DT 21 means door opening of 1000 mm, 2100 mm with double shutter, door with two shutters having a shutter size of 1000 mm by 2100 mm, a door opening of 1000 mm by 2000 mm with a single shutter, door frame of section size 21 cm to 10 cm with a double shutter. It is 1000 mm. DT is double shutter. So, two shutters, double shutters. Then 10 is two zeros, add two zeros. So, the correct option is option A. 10 DT 21 means a door opening of 1000 mm by 2100 mm with a double shutter. Question number 55. The amount of deviation of the magnetic needle of a compass from its normal position is dip of needle, magnetic declination, local attraction, arbitrary bearing. The deviation of the magnetic needle of the compass is local attraction. Question number 56. The units of measurements in MKS system for sawing of timber. Running meter, square meter, cubic meter, number of days. It is square meters for sawing. For the sawing of timber, the measurement unit is square meter. Question number 57. The pipe through which human excreta flows. Waste pipe, vent pipe, rainwater pipe, soil pipe. Sanitary wastes are all in soil pipe. Question number 58. A cut provided in the door frame to receive the shutter. Lower, horn, rebate, mortise. It is rebate. The capacity of doing work. Question number 59. The capacity of doing work. Speed, power, energy, none of the above. It is the energy. The capacity for doing work is energy. Question number 60. The under surface of a stair is waist, soffit, headroom, none of the above. It is soffit, under surface of stair. Question number 61. The method of timbering of trenches used for supporting the sides of a soft ground of depth not exceeding 10 meters and providing an offset at the end of each stage is stay bracing, box sheeting, runner system, vertical sheeting. It is vertical sheeting. Question number 62. The defects due to seasoning, which indicates by the curvature formed in the direction of length of timber. Bow, cup, twist, split. It is bow. The curvature formed as bow. Question number 63. The liquid substances which hold the ingredients of the paint in liquid suspension and helps them to spread evenly on the surface to be painted. Base, solvent, dryer, vehicle. It is vehicle. The liquid substance is vehicle, which helps the paint to continue in suspension, to hold the ingredients in suspension. Question number 64. The last staff reading taken by a level just before the shifting is backside, foresight, intermediate site, change point. It is the foresight. Last site is foresight. Question number 65. In AutoCAD drawing, function key dash is used for ortho mode on and off. F8, F1, F10, F3. It is F8. F8 is for ortho. Frequently asked question, at least remember ortho F8. Question number 66. The vertical member of a metal or wood supporting the handrail of a stair. Fascia, stringers, header, baluster. It is baluster. Vertical member support the handrail is baluster. Question number 67. If the bearing of two lines AB and AC are N 43 degree 15 minutes east and S 45 degree 45 degree 45 minutes east respectively, then the included angle between these lines is, so it is A, this is station A, news, NEWS, so AB is NE 43 15 minute and AC is B, AC is SE 45 degree 45 minutes. So I have to add 43 15 and 45 15 and subtract from 180. It is 45. So it is 60 8 8. So it is 89. So 180 minus 89. 180 minus 80 is 100. 100 minus 9 91. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 68. The projecting course at the upper part of a pier or an abutment of an arch to stress the springing line is nosing, spandrel, skewback, impost. It is impost. Question number 69. The triangular shaped portion of masonry at the end of a sloped roof. Gable, hipped end, mitred closer, buttress. It is the gable. The triangular portion is called gable. Question number 70. A window placed on the gable side is gable window. Question number 70. The temporary enclosure constructed in a river for excluding water during construction. Well foundation, box caisson, coffer dam, none of the above. It is coffer dam, the temporary enclosure. to exclude the water from the construction site. Question number 71. The formation of conical hole in the plastered surface due to the presence of some particles which expand on setting. Such defects of plastering is popping, peeling, crazing, flaking. Conical hole, it is popping in the plastic surface due to the presence of some particles inside. Question number 72. The increase in volume of sand due to the presence of surface moisture up to some extent is ponding, bulking, bleeding, segregation. It is the bulking of sand. Question number 73. The instrument used for determining the soundness of cement is Le Chatelier apparatus, Wagner's turbidimeter, Wickett apparatus, none of the above. Le Chatelier apparatus and autoclave apparatus are the Le Chatelier apparatus and autoclave apparatus are used for determining the unsoundness of cement. Le Chatelier apparatus can find unsoundness due to lime, and autoclave apparatus can determine the unsoundness due to magnesia and NGO and lime. Question number 74. The center of the arch lies above the springing line. The arch is called Florentine arch, horseshoe arch, Venetian arch, segmental arch. It is the one and only arch, horseshoe arch, where the springing line lies above the center line of the arch. Question number 75. The ratio of isometric length to its true length is 0.086, 1.22, 0.815, 0.185. It is 0.815. Isometric length to true length. The true length to isometric length is 1.2. Question number 76. The AutoCAD command, which is used to create multiple copies of selected objects in rectangular or polar form. Offset, array, oops, none of the above. It is array. Question number 77. The diameter and height of a cylinder is 4 cm. Then the volume of cylinder in cubic centimeter is, for a cylinder it is pi r square h. Diameter and height are 4. So pi into r is 2. 2 square into 4. So 4 into 4, 16 pi. So the answer is C. Question number 78. As per the present Kerala Municipality building rule, the minimum width of stair for Group B educational building is 120 cm, 180 cm, 100 cm and 150 cm. For educational buildings, it should be 120 cm. Question number 79. A trap which is provided for preventing the entry of sewer gases from the public line into the house drains. Floor trap, Nahni trap, gully trap, intercepting trap. It is intercepting trap for the entry of to prevent the entry of sewer gases. Nahni trap in bathrooms. Question number 80. The line joining some fixed points on the main survey lines for the purpose of locating interior details. Baseline, check line, tie line, offset. It is tie line.
Thank you. If found useful, subscribe our channel.